Make sure you smash that like button. That show you how you smash it like. How's it, everybody? Brother Z here, and today we're gonna be doing one Try Not to Laugh challenge special edition, boo. We're gonna be doing weird sounds. Tetra, give one example, please. One more time. We're gonna do a couple rounds, and we keep going to whoever laughs first. Simple, not that. Yeah. But here we go. Try Not to Laugh challenge, weird noise edition, boo. Before the video even starts, guys, let me know in the comment section below. You team brother, you team father. You guys know who gonna win. Guys know. Okay. Not even funny, that. You cannot keep going. Silly, that. That's silly. Oh no! Ow! Ow! Get out! It took me last night. Hey, they come last night. They call him. They come grab you. Eh? It's nothing to that. That's nothing.
They come grab you. I don't believe that, man. I was waiting for them to come grab me.
Owie! He got hurt. It's nothing, that. No. Far from it. Far from it. Far. Bring it back, Dad. Bring it back.
I'll be right back.
Got you, huh?
I don't know what that.
Got you again, boo. I got you again, huh? Is that?
You never make me laugh.
Keep it up with that cheating stuff.
Oh, wow, you use some plastic stuff. You just grab it there.
You're not laughing? You're not laughing?
No.
Ah, this guy's cheating.
No, but you never really make me laugh yet.
Okay, you know what? Time out. Time out. Brothers and sisters, I had to take one quick intermission because this guy is straight up cheating. This guy claiming I never make him laugh one time. I got him on almost every single time. So I go and trick up my sleeve. So now we're gonna fill our mouths up with water. We're gonna do another round. You see water fly out, that's 1 point. Okay? My father think he killing it. The only thing he killing is my vibe because he cheating. Straight up. He laugh out loud and he tell me it's not how he laugh in real life. Come on.
I think I winning. I get this in the bag, guys. Never laugh. I don't know. Bored. Like I gotta go throw away rubbish. I got this.
Welcome back. We had to take one quick break because this guy like for cheat. You gonna put the water in your mouth and I gonna just keep going until you spit them out. It's a hot day, guys, out here. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, you see like when you like cheat. Now my turn, okay? No. See when you like cheat.
Facial and expressions. I have to take off my glasses so I can make you
laugh. I run up to the camera, I give him like that. Ta-da!
That's what you did.
You see? Like father, like son. Well guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys had just as much fun as we did. Make sure you smash that like button. That show you how you smash it like. We'll be posting a new video every Friday. So be sure you turn on those post notifications. Let us know in the comments below who you think it'll win, okay? Because at this point, I don't even know what we just said do. Shoot, you guys.
Peace out.
Aloha. Yeah. These guys still walking away without me grabbing my mic.
Wow, the pigs over here all last night.
How come you're not catching them?
I don't could catch them.
How come?
Too fast.
I thought you tell me track before high school you used to run fast.
I follow the tracks.
With a track, with a track.
No track will be all hard to do. But plenty hogs were all over.
I see them actually run by the road, lot of, right over there actually.
They come early now. Why, there's something for eat, but
Like what?
I don't know, on bagel or something.
On bagel. Why, no more kind. Lobster and filet mignon.
Only give bacon cheese omelette. You like one?
Allergic to bacon.
I'll take care of that. Do we look at each other?
We can. I got you.
You did, bro.
Yeah, I got you.
I cannot look at you.
I got you.
Cannot look at you. We don't look at
Yeah,
each other.
no need to look at each other. Just look at the camera.
Yeah,
Look at the
we can
camera.